So these are my kittens. They don't quite have names yet, but they're cute. So cute. The two orange ones are boys, and the three Siamese ones are girls. And this is Mama Cat. That's where they stay, but I brought them out so they could play a little bit here under the carport. The parents are super friendly. Their eyes are open, yet weaned. So cute. Orange ones are very brave. They come when I call for them. I just call them babies right now. They come out of the nest. When I pick them up, they're not big enough to climb out yet. They're still mastering walking. And the whole world is brand new and exciting and full of amazing new things. Mom is very watchful. It's a log. Baby kittens are cute. I swear these orange ones have blue eyes. I like them. I like the orange ones. Well, I hope you enjoyed my kitten video. And I'll see you guys later.